நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது உங்கள் RSKV யூடியூப் சேனல்.
Good morning. Income Tax Inspectors Exam 2011. Paper 3. Allied Laws. Time 2 hours. Maximum marks 100. Important instructions படிக்கிறேன். 1. All questions carry 1 mark each. 2. For every incorrect attempt, 1/8 mark shall be deducted. 3. In case of more than one bubble is filled for a question or the bubbles is left blank, the question will be awarded 0 marks. 4. In case of any doubt, the English version may be taken as authentic. Question number 1. Record under the RTA Act 2005 does not include answer D. Notes of a public authority kept in his office drawer. Question number 2. A bequeaths property to B in trust to be employed in carrying on smuggling business and out of the profits thereof to support his children. Answer D. The trust will be treated as void. Question 3. Which of the following cannot be attached before judgment? A. Agricultural produce. B. Production of agricultural produce. C. Both A and B. Answer is both A and B. Question number 4. After partition by a registered deed, reunion can take place via which deed? A. Oral agreement. Question number 5. Under the RTI Act, any information can't be denied to any person if it can't be denied to answer D. Legislature. Question number 6. As per the Section 123 of the Transfer of Property Act, in the case of a gift of immovable property, the transfer must be effected by answer B. A registered instrument signed by or on behalf of the donor and attested by at least 2 witnesses. Question 7. The purpose of a trust is lawful if answer is the court holds it as morally just. The CPIO or SPIO is obliged to give. Answer is any information if large public interest warrants such disclosure. Question number 9. Residential status of the HUF is decided on the basis of answer D. Control and management of HUF. Question number 10. A bequeathed a house property to B in trust, asking him to sell it and pay the proceeds to C. B neglects to sell the house for a long time, allowing the house to crumble, which resulted in its market price to fall. Answer is B is answerable to C for the loss. Question number 11. Services of summons under Sub-Rule 3 of Rule 9 of CPC shall be made at the expense of answer is C. Plaintiff. Question number 12. A has sold interest in immovable property to B for a value of rupees 500. What is the effect under the Indian Registration Act 1908? Answer is A. Registration is compulsory. Question number 13. A by coercion prevails upon the testator to bequeath his house to him. The bequest is answer A. Ab initio void. Question number 14. A has given gift of rupees 75 as interest in immovable property. What will be the effect under Registration Act 1908? B. Registration is compulsory. Question 15. If any co-parcenary so decides, his separate property can partake character of A. Ancestral. Question number 16. A has left no will. He has died intestate in respect of. Question number 16. Answer D. All properties. Question number 17. The HUF will continue to be in existence. Answer D. Till HUF property is in existence. 18. Co-personally property of the HUF devolves by way of. Answer B. Succession. Question number 19. Testamentary succession provisions in Part 6 Indian Succession Act 1925 not apply to answer D. Hindus. Question 20. A person is said to have died intestate in the case of. Answer B. Death without will. Question number 21. Provisions of intestate succession apply to. Answer A. Indian Christians. Question number 22. Under the RTI Act, public authority does not government established or constituted. Answer B. By or under the CBI. Question number 23. Inheritance of property from maternal grandfather partakes character of. Answer B. Separate property. Question number 24. Executor means a person appointed by a. Answer A. Testator. Question number 25. A bequeaths a shop and stock in trade to B on condition that he pays A's debts and legacy to C. Answer A. It is not a valid trust as it is conditional. Question number 26. X lets a field to Y at a rent of rupees 1000 and then transfers the field to Z. Y, having no notice of the transfer, in good faith pays rent of rupees 500 to X. Z demanded the rent from Y. Please explain whether Y will again be liable to pay the rent to Z. Answer is C. Y is liable to pay the balance rent of rupees 500 to Z. Question number 27. The trustees is empowered to execute the trust. Answer is D. To obey the direction of the author of the trust given at the time of its creation. Question number 28. Which is not an ingredient of Section 53A of the Transfer of Property Act. Answer D. Movable property. Question number 29. A trustee committing a breach of trust is liable to pay interest if A. Answer is A. He has actually received interest. Question number 30. Which kind of transfer can be made orally? Answer is surrender of lease. Question number 31. How many types of mortgages are defined in Section 58 of the Transfer of Property Act? Answer is C. 6. Question number 32. As per Section 123 of the Transfer of Property Act, for the purpose of making a gift of movable property, the transfer may be effected. Answer D. Either by an unregistered instrument or by delivery. Question number 33. The provisions of gift relating to gifts of movable property will not be applicable in the case of. Answer D. Both A and B. A is gift made in completion of death. B is gift deemed to affect any rule of Mohammedan law. Answer is D. Both A and B. Question 35. Question 34. A will or authority to adopt presented for registration shall be registered if the registering office is satisfied. Answer D. All of the above. That means A. The authority was executed by the testator or donor. B. Testator is dead. C. Person representing the authority is entitled to present the same. D. All of the above. All of the above is the answer. Question 35. Under the RTI Act, when a request is made to one public authority for an information is believed to be held by another public authority, then the public authority with whom the request has been made shall transfer that request to such other authority within answer A 5 days. Question number 36. Which of the following documents need not be registered? Answer is B. Dissolution of firm followed by an arbitration award. Question number 37. A gives 5 lakh rupees to B, reserving to himself with B's assent the right of take back at his pleasure rupees 1 lakh out of the total gift. Please specify whether the gift is valid. Answer is B. The gift is valid for rupees 4 lakhs, but it is void as to rupees 1 lakh, which continue to belong to A. Question number 38. On gift or will from parental ancestor, ancestral property partakes the character of, answer is A, separate property. Question number 39. As per provisions of section 5 of the Transfer of Property Act, living person includes, answer is C, a company or association or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not. Question number 40. Following person cannot make a will if he, answer is D, under the state of intoxication. If he is under the state of intoxication. Question 41. In which register contents of will is copied by the registrar after the death of the depositor? B. Answer is B. Register book number 3. Question number 42. Intestate A's wife predeceased him with no child. His father and mother, brothers, nephews, etc. are there. His properties would devolve on, answer is A, on kindred. Question number 43. The executor or administrator is to exhibit an inventory of all properties in possession, all credits and all debits within, answer is B, 6 months. Question number 44. In section 105 of the Transfer of Property Act, following terms are defined. Answer is C, lesser, lessee, premium and rent defined. Question number 45. A gifted a house to B and C, of whom B does not accept it. Please specify whether the gift is valid. The answer is C. The gift is valid as to the interest which B would have taken had he accepted. 46. Question number 46. Codicil means an instrument in relation to, answer is C, will. 47. Question number 47. Property jointly acquired by some co-partners of the HUF under Mitakshara law is of the character of, answer is C, joint property. Leases of immovable property for 11 months may be made, answer is C, either by a registered instrument or by oral agreement accompanied by delivery of possession. Question number 49. Where the defendant is confined in a prison, the summons shall be delivered or sent to the, question number 49, answer D, officer in charge. Question number 50. In which register deposit of wills is transcribed? Answer B, register number 5. Question 51. A having movable property in India dies and there is no proof of domicile anywhere. His properties would be governed by, answer B, Indian law of succession. Question number 52. Letter of administration may be granted to one who is, answer is C, minor through natural guardian. Question number 53. A Hindu who pledged ornaments to bank died intestate. For release of ornaments, production of letter of administration is, Question answer is not necessary. Question number 54. A testator may deposit his will with the registrar by answer is both A and B. A. Sealing in a cover superscribed with his name. B. Superscribed with the name of the agent. Both answer is both A and B. Question number 55. Father can appoint testamentary guardian for his minor. Answer is all of the above. A. Legitimate son. B. Legitimate daughter. C. Adopted son. All of the above. Question number 56. Under Mitakshara School of Hindu Law, member of HUF can be answer A. Any male member of the family. Question number 57. If the donee dies before acceptance, the gift is question number B. Void. Question number 58. In Mitakshara law, joint property of HUF has to be divided among answer is D. Co-parceners. Question number 59. A bequeathed land to B without consideration and declares no trust of any part or whole thereof. Answer is A. Attendant circumstances will determine whether A intended to dispose of the beneficial interest thereon. Question number 60. In a trust deed, the person who reposes or declares the confidence is called answer is A. Author of the trust. Question number 61. A co-parcener can alienate. Answer is B. Share of property. Answer is C. Share of property. Question 62. It shall be obligatory to give any citizen an information. Answer is D. When large public interest warrants its disclosure. Question number 63. Ramesh gifted Shyam property comprising both existing and future properly. Please specify the validity of the gift. B. Only the gift of future property is void. Question number 64. The trustee is obliged to fulfill the purposes of the trust if answer is A. Such directions are given by the author of the trust at the time of creation. Question number 65. Separate or self-acquired property can be alienated by any two co-parcener. Answer is D. All of the above. By gift, by mortgage, by sale. Question number 65 repeating. Separate or self-acquired property can be alienated by any two co-parcener. Answer is D. All of the above. By gift, by mortgage, by sale. Question number 66. Information as per the RTI Act 2005 is any material in any form but does not include. Answer is D. News. Question number 67. Affidavit in answer to interrogation shall be filed. Answer B. Within 10 days of the order. Question number 68. Ancestral property can be alienated by way of. Answer is D. None of the above. That is A. Will, B. Sale, C. Gift. None of the above. Question number 69. Probate shall be granted to. Answer is A. An executor appointed by the will. Question number 70. Domicile in India may be acquired by making and depositing a declaration to acquire it if he has been before declaration. Answer is A. Resident for 1 year. Question number 71. A Sikh dies interstate letter of administration could be granted to. Answer is A. Person entitled to deceased estate in full or part and applied for it. Question number 72. A party applying for summons shall pay fee towards calling to summons within a period of not later dash days. Answer is C. 7 days. Question 73. When is the certificate of registration issued? Answer B. After registration of the documents. Question number 74. Domicile provisions of Part 2 of Indian Succession Act 1925 apply to. Answer is D. None of the above. A. Deceased Hindu. B. Deceased Jain. C. Living Hindu. D. Answer is none of the above. Question 75. Who can withdraw the sealed cover deposited under Section 42 of the Indian Registration Act 1908? Answer is C. Testator or his agent. Question number 76. A will is to appoint, and answer is B. Executor. Question number 77. In Mitakshara law, up to dash generation, lineal male descendant acquires ownership in HUF property. Answer is C. Third. Question number 78. A trust is valid if. Answer is A. The ownership of the trust is transferred to the trustee. Question number 79. A bequest is made in favor of trustee and the beneficiary attests the will. The bequest is. Answer is C. Not valid. Question number 80. Under the RTI Act, the time limit for rejecting an application of the applicant seeking information is A. Within 30 days of the receipt of the request. Question number 81. A mortgaged deed between Mr. A and Mr. B was executed on 26/2010, whereas the documents were registered only on 16/7/2010. From which date the mortgaged deed will take effect? 26/2010. Question number 82. Who is a person entitled to present will to any registrar or sub-registrar for registration? B. Answer is B. Executor of the will. Question number 83. Unprobated will can be admitted in evidence for collateral purpose. The answer is in other than probate proceedings. Question number 84. Domicile of a minor whose father has died during his minority is. Answer is A. Deceased father's last domicile. Question number 85. As per provision of the Section 53 of the Transfer of Property Act, transfer of immovable property made with intent to defeat or delay the creditors of the transferor shall be. Answer is B. Voidable at the opinion of any creditor so defeated or delayed. Question number 86. X set up a trust with Y as trustee. The trust is directed by the trust. The trustee is directed by the trust to purchase a certain property in the name of the trust. Instead of doing that, Y purchases the property for himself. The answer is Y will be treated as holding the property in trust. Question number 87. A lease of immovable property from year to year or for any term exceeding dash year within bracket years or reserving a yearly rent can be made only by a registered instrument. Answer is B. 1 year. Question number 88. Mr. A creates a trust and appoints B as the trustee. The trust deed states that a bulk of the property has to be divided amongst the children of Mr. A. The answer is B. This is an invalid trust because the directions are unclear. Question number 89. Income of the HUF has to be assessed in the hands of. Answer is D. HUF. Question number 90. Who shall have the right to information as per the Right to Information Act 2005? Answer is B. All citizens. Question number 91. A co-parcenary interest is formed by. Answer is D. All of the above. A. An act of law. B. Unity of possession. C. Community of interest. All of the above. Question number 92. A transferred an immovable property to B with condition that in no case he can transfer the property to C. Answer is A. The transfer is valid. Question number 93. If an application is received by the court to examine a witness not within India, the court may issue dash. Answer is A. Warrant. B. Commission. C. Letter. The answer is D. Both B and C. That is commission and letter of request. Question number 94. Repeating question number 93 again. If an application is received by the court to examine a witness not within India, the court may issue dash. Answer is D, both B and C, that is commission and letter of request. Question number 94. An unprivileged will or codicil is revoked by. The answer is D, all of the above. That means A, marriage. B, another will or codicil. C, another declaration to revoke the earlier will. Answer is all of the above. Question number 95. A trustee does not commit a breach of trust. Answer is D, when he follows the direction given in the trust even when the trust money earns less profits. Question number 96. When a trustee commits a breach of trust, answer is B, he is liable to make good the loss. Question number 97. A trust may invest in any of the following. Answer is A, securities of the central government of India or unit trust of India. Question number 98. On partition, the ancestral property in respect of the member of the HUF is. Answer is A, ancestral property. Question number 99. The Karta of HUF under the Mitakshara school of law can be. Answer is A, any co-parcener. Question number 100. In the case of tangible immovable property of a value less than dash rupees, such transfer may be made either by a registered instrument or by delivery of the property. Answer is C, 100. That is 100 rupees.